Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can allow camera access on Snapchat. So by allowing camera access on Snapchat, we mean like if you have not provided access to Snapchat to use your phone's camera, so basically your phone is not going to allow Snapchat to use your camera for privacy reason, because if you guys haven't allowed Snapchat to use your camera and if it still can use it, then it's basically like, harming your privacy or your security thing. That's why Snapchat can only use your camera or your phone's camera. In another word, I provide access to it. In other word, if you allow the access to it. So until and unless you do like provide access to Snapchat, then it's just going to show you this black screen because we don't have access to it. So to provide Snapchat access to it, basically before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can allow camera access to Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first, get out of Snapchat or close Snapchat. Once you do that, you can hold on Snapchat icon. Once you do that, you can click on app info. After clicking on app info, basically just click on where it says permissions over here. Once you're over here, make sure all this permission is turned on. The most important one, camera, because like the whole video is about camera, and so yeah, make sure the camera one is turned on, and the other should be turned on as well, but give the most importance to camera. And after it's turned on, just go back from here, or just like close the setting. And if your Snapchat is open, just close it and reopen Snapchat again. And basically your Snapchat camera should be, working like this. So that's basically how you provide access to Snapchat camera. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases like this. I'm even sending the snap to my friend to prove it to you guys. So yeah, if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.